guys, welcome back to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. Today I want to show you guys some sublimatable little stuff, and here they are. Let's check them one by one. First, I want to show you guys these very cute dog name tags. They are available in 4 colors, and they come in this very adorable shape of bone. And for sublimation printing, each of them comes with a printable aluminum insert. You can print the insert first and then stick it on the item to make it personalized. So you can print the name of your dog on it and attach it to the dog leash to make it a very meaningful and long-lasting gift for your dog. And here are 2 metal badges. You can choose the gold square one and the silver round one, and then print some amazing designs to make them the fashion items to go with your sweater and your scarf and your shirt. And here are 2 fridge magnets, and they are also the beer bottle openers. They are very useful home items because sometimes when you want to drink some beer and you just cannot find the beer opener, so why not just stick it on your fridge so you don't have to search every corner just to find one. And here I want to show you guys another very common and very useful home item. It's a little hood hanger, and it's also a very lovely way to show your family photos. And here, I want you guys to see these 2 beautiful hanging ornaments on card. They are available in silver and gold colors, and each of them comes with 1 printable pendant and 1 very beautiful angel's wing pendant. And you can print your family photo and your best selfie on it, and then hang it on the rear view mirror to decorate your car. And here are 2 beautiful necklaces with the angel's wings. And you can also choose between the silver and the gold colors, and the wings can be opened up to reveal your photo. So you can print your family photo or the photo of your lovers to make it the best surprise gift on birthday, Valentine's Day, or Christmas. And speaking of Christmas, we have newly launched these 2 beautiful hanging ornaments. Check these very adorable Jingle Bells. They are also 2-side printable, and each of them and each side comes with a Merry Christmas wish, and you can print your family photos on it and then decorate your Christmas tree with those best memories. So after seeing so many amazing little sublimatable stuff, which one is your favorite? You can let us know on the comments below, or you can send email to best@bestsub.net to let us know. So I'm Alex, hope to see you again in my next video.